Meaning of doubleheader.
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 Doubleheader. The term doubleheader typically refers to two games played back-to-back by the same teams in a sport, usually baseball. It can also be used in other contexts to describe events or activities scheduled consecutively. In sports, doubleheaders are often scheduled to make up for postponed games or to accommodate a busy season schedule. Playing two games in a row can be physically demanding and mentally challenging for the teams involved. However, doubleheaders can also offer fans more opportunities to see their favorite teams play and can add excitement to the sport.